Hi guys, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be telling you how I do my winged eyeliner. This is a really easy thing to do. It is no rocket science. So let's begin with the tutorial quickly. Okay, first thing that you need to keep in mind is your elbow. You need to support your elbow while doing it. Right now I'm having a table to do that, but before I had this table, I used to support my elbow with the help of mirror. Like I used to go really close to the mirror. Suppose this is the mirror. I used to support my elbow like this and then I used to draw my winged eyeliner. Now this is done so that the winged eyeliner is really sharp and your hand doesn't move. Your brush just moves on very swiftly. So this is why I would advise you to support your elbow while putting on a winged eyeliner. The second step to keep in mind is the wing, of course. To set the right angle of wing, you just need to follow the curvature of your lash line. For say, imagine if your lower lash line extends, then it would extend like this, right? So here it is that you have to keep your wing eyeliner angle. For drawing the eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner and this is Pack Cosmetic brush. This is a fine brush. I'm just going to take some of the product on the brush and then follow the curvature of my lower lash line and put a dot here. I don't know if you can see. Once I put the dot, I will join this dot and the end of my eye like that, right? Once I do that, I will then close my eyes. Again, I will try to join the dot on my upper lash line. Correct? Now you have an outline of what your eyeliner should be. Now I'll take more product and I'll start from here and go like this, so that this point joins this point and everything looks in symmetry. Now when you'll close your eyes, you'll find that this area is not smooth. So I'll try to join this and this so that the whole area becomes smooth. Like that. And then I will fill it. Just have a closer look to see if you have a smooth line here, so that everything looks smooth and in symmetry. That's it. This is how you put on a winged eyeliner. So I just completed my other eye offline and came, and this is how I have put on winged eyeliner. This is a really easy thing to do and it is not as difficult as it seems, guys. Please do follow these steps and create a winged eyeliner for yourself, and do let me know if you found this video useful, and please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you soon in my next video next week. Till then, bye.